We're here at the Cole Automall today, and we're excited and waiting for Leah Walker to get here. Leah doesn't know that she's won the car, so we're getting ready to surprise her.
She thinks she's coming in for a final interview with Jason and myself to go through the process against several other worthy candidates. Little does she know when she walks in, she's gonna get a good surprise.
Absolutely.
I'm Leah Walker. I'm 27. I have 2 daughters. They're 7 and 10. I work at Commission on Aging. I've been there about a year and a half. Anybody who has like a disability or the elderly, I go in and help them.
Well, in this house, it'd be Leah, 2 granddaughter, me and my wife. Everybody live here and help each other out. She helped me, I help her. Because my wife cannot do anything because of cerebral palsy.
It's a miracle that she's even alive because she was born at 6 months. And then they said there's no way she'll make it past 5 years old. And she's 63.
I'll be in the middle of traffic, like at a red light. It'll just die on me, and I have to put it in park and try to start it. It died. See?
Whoever gets it, I will be happy for. If I got it, that would be great. It'd be really great.
The interview's over. Congratulations.
Oh my God. It's so pretty.
It comes with the Cole Advantage, which is a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. We were excited to be able to help out. You're very welcome. Congratulations. Very, very
What do you think? Did you win it? What do you think? Yeah! Yeah?
Yeah?
Are you happy? Mm-hmm. Yeah!